Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I'm going to show you guys how to download Windows 11 on Windows 10. I've been trying to update the settings and I haven't been getting the Windows 11 update. And I'm going to do it through their website. You're going to type in Windows 11 download. I'm going to leave the link in the description, but if you want to do it this way, you can do it this way too. Click the first link. Alright. There's going to be a couple of options. There's going to be a Windows 11 installation assistant. I suggest you download that before even trying to install Windows 11. That's going to let you know if it's compatible or not. And then there's create a Windows 11 installation media. You'll only need that media one if you're going to start from scratch, like a fresh image. If you're just going to, if you just want to upgrade it, just download the Windows 11 disk image. But first I'm going to download this installer so I can show you guys what it looks like. Alright, once it's done, click open. What is this? Oh, it says you have to download this app. I thought that's what I just did. Okay. So you're gonna have to download this PC Health Check app. Click. Okay. Click download. Click open. Click install. Finish. Is it gonna go pop up or it's gonna be in the start menu, I think. Oh no, it's right there. Click check now. So it looks like my computer is compatible. Okay. Now I'm gonna look at the results and I'm gonna show you guys. See, like it's gonna tell you everything. It seems like everything is compatible on my computer. I got an i7, got 24 gigs of RAM. You only need 4, and 64 gigs or larger. Yeah, I got 1 terabyte, 6 cores, and a 2.4 hertz. So yeah, that's gonna tell you if you're available for Windows 11. I suggest you do that before downloading. Okay, now where's the other page? Oh, it's right here. Now we're just gonna scroll down and go to download Windows 11 disk ISO. You're gonna want to select download Windows 11. Download. Choose a language. Confirm. 64-bit. Sorry if you guys hear any like cars moving by. I live close to a main street, so yeah. Alright, depending on your internet speed, this might take a while. For me, it's gonna take an hour, but alright guys, we're almost done downloading. I had to switch over to my hotspot. Okay, once it's done, you're gonna want to click file location, right click. Why isn't it working? Sorry if it's a little bit laggy. I'm downloading this on my laptop and I'm on the battery. I'm not on my charger right now, so it's a little slow. Click mount, and then right there where it says setup, right click, run as administrator. Click yes. Then it should pop up. There we go. It's gonna start preparing. Click next. Getting updates. Alright guys, this part is just going to be a bunch of updates. I'm going to fast forward and get to the part where it's done imaging. Alright, it's almost done. Alright guys, this is what it's going to show you right before you click install. This is the final step. So just click install and it's going to start installing. Alright guys, it's done imaging. This is what it looks like. I think it looks pretty clean. I wasn't too sure about them moving things, but it looks modern and it looks up to date. I like how they left all this the same on the side. On 20H2 they kind of changed a little bit of things I didn't like, and that looks kind of the same. So yeah, I really liked it. It looks up to date. I see why they did it. The old one looked out of date. You gotta make it look up to date. So yeah, I really like the way it looks. It looks kind of plain, and I like it so far. Stay tuned on my channel. I'm gonna give you guys updates and see if it's laggy or how it's acting, how it's doing. I hope this video helped you out on getting Windows 11. If it did, give it a like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Later.
I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.